Look, once your synthetic wig starts sounding like that, and when it starts tangling, you know you either have to steam it or you need to buy something new. Me, I'm gonna buy it 2 times. Because this wig was really that girl. Look at the curls right out of the pack and go ahead and look at that lace. And as a reminder, I don't get paid for this, okay? I don't get paid for this. And I also don't really post on here, so that's how you know this is a real review with my coins, and I actually did buy this 2 times. So that's how you know that I actually like this wig. We put it on its curly. Look at this wig. Let's do a flip test. Okay. Okay, there we go. The bangs are long, but it's nothing that a little shaping won't fix, right? Okay? And hold on, y'all, hold on. I graduated to the razor. If you watch my last video, you know. Use a razor with caution. Use it with caution. Y'all, look at me with that razor. Right? Okay, moving on. Okay, so of course you can either use a razor or you can use scissors, whichever one is easier for you, because that was easier to use the scissors to just cut straight down on my side. Are y'all seeing the vision? Like, the bangs are already there. And the curls are set. They come with those weird foamy things. But, already that's looking like I went to go get my hair done at the salon. Let's give sensational applause because this is good. But if that's not given for you, you can style it different ways like so. It's giving very easy, very breezy, very sensational. So I went ahead and I tried to cut some bangs and tried to blend the layers and everything. And y'all, let me tell you. These bangs, for some reason on this wig, I don't know if my forehead changes. I don't know what in the world was going on, okay? I cut the bangs on this day. I cut them on that day. I cut these bangs multiple different times just to try and get the right length. And I don't know. It was a struggle. But I used the tutorials down below to try and get the type of bangs that I wanted, and it came out looking like this. Let's talk about sizing really quickly because the first wig fit perfectly. This one, it was a little bit too big and I kind of got that hump look, so I had to use the hot comb to press it down and make it a little bit more flat. This is what I used to put her on. Let me know what's something as good or better in the comments below. I am typically oily up here, so I actually need something with some strength, okay guys? For my part, I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This looks so nasty. You guys are probably like, I'm so unhygienic, and like, I'm not. So use my liquid foundation. So I put this on and then I put the powder on, and I feel like it looks kind of seamless. Can you see the lace? Is it lacing? Is it lacing? Look, this lace is so seamless. It's so thin. It is so HD. You can kind of see my wig cap. So make sure you are blending because you can see with this lace. And there is her. She's on. Is eating curtain bangs. Option number 2. If you want to brush it out and make it look a little bit more like the stock card, you can do something a little bit like that. Like, she is giving. Oh, and you can also kind of like lift the bang up like that. Like, you have options. Oh, and I even forgot this one. The bangs. I felt like I didn't look that cute with that one though. This is when I cut the bangs even more. Such a good look. Let me know if y'all want a tutorial on that one. Okay, remember that crunch from earlier? Hopefully it's not my brush, but it's my brush. But look, very little tangles. Okay. And this is what the curls are like once they drop. And here's what it was at the beginning before we went ahead and brushed it out. So, like, you get longevity with this hair. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I would recommend for you guys to buy it, especially if you want the curtain bang look. The only thing you have to do is customize the bangs and give it a little trim, a little cut. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. However, I will say that the cap size is a little inconsistent. The first one that I bought, it fit perfectly, and I kind of have a small head, But this one I feel like it's a little bit too big, which is why like it's kind of like, I want to say it's a hump. It could be my head shape. Do I have a peanut head? Okay, it could be my head shape, but I wish it would just like lay flat. Like you see, I don't know if you see the difference when I pull it taut in comparison to that. It's a minor difference. It's just me. My little pet peeve. Could just be a little insecurity that I have, but definitely on the sizing. And we're in a recession. We're in a recession. Why are we spending hundreds and thousands? I'm not gonna say thousands of dollars. I ain't spent thousands of dollars on a wig. But why are we spending hundreds of dollars on a wig? You know, you don't need to do that, especially if you don't have the funds. These are pre-styled. If you don't know how to use a curling iron or anything like that, I recommend you get this. But again, this sensational wig, she eats. She eats. She eats. She eats. Okay? She eats. But I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And of course, in the comments as well, let me know. I asked a lot from y'all today, but I know y'all are going to pull through because why would you not? Y'all are that girl. Hello. Anybody who's watching this is that girl or that guy or they, them, because if you eat, you eat. No shame in that. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.